Keyword research tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush can be a great way for you to find keywords for your niche, but it's not the greatest at providing information for trending keywords within your niche. And if you're a new blogger or even an experienced blogger, then finding new and trending keywords to write about is a great point of leverage because there's not a lot of competition and you can get a huge influx of traffic onto your blogs by writing on new trending topics. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a free and simple method that you can follow to find trending keywords for any niche. Let's go ahead and get started. To get started with this method, head over to Perplexity.ai. Perplexity.ai is great because it allows you to research and find information in any topic or niche, and it's live and up-to-date information. So unlike ChatGPT or Claude, that's only up to a specific year, Perplexity AI has live and up-to-date information. In order to find trending keywords or ideas, simply ask Perplexity AI. So for example, let's say I'm in the garden niche. What I would do is I would ask Perplexity AI, what are some trending topics in the gardening niche of 2023? So simply just go ahead and enter that in Perplexity. This works well because if we just search this up on Google, we would have to go and read through all of the search results to be able to find an answer, while Perplexity AI just gives us the answer right there and then. So these are going to be some of the trending topics in the garden niche for 2023. So growing your own bouquets, creating cottage gardens, swapping lawns for meadows, climate awareness, Garden of Eden, ombre gardens, and so on. As you can see already, we are getting some great ideas for trending topics that we can write about if we are in the gardening niche. This is just step number one, and in a little bit I'll be showing you how to validate and get search volume metrics for those trending keywords. But again, what you can do is you can repeat this process for any niche that you're in. Again, for example, let's say my website is in the travel tips and hacks. I can ask Perplexity, what are some trending topics in this niche? And again, as you can see, we get some trending topics about packing tips, money saving tips, eating tips, airport tips, transportation, travel hacking, and so on. So the more detailed you can be within your input, the better your outputs would be. So maybe this input was a little bit too general. So let's go ahead and try to have a more detailed input so we're getting actual blog post topics. For example, in this prompt, I told Perplexity AI that I would like to write on trending topics for my blog post readers. They are currently interested in travel hacks and tips. Can you give me some trending topics to write on? As you can see, we were able to get some topics in which we can write about. So TikTok travel hacks, this can be something that you can write about. So going back over to our original topic, which was the trending topics in the gardening niche of 2023. If we want to actually go ahead and validate these keyword ideas, what we can do is we can copy over any one of these specific examples. So let's say, for example, we wanted to do more research on the keyword creating cottage gardens. So let's go ahead and copy this over. And now I'm going to head over to Ahrefs. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and they have a keyword generator tool. So this will allow you to be able to get keyword metrics for the specific keyword in which we're researching, but also be able to give us variations of that keyword. So I'm just going to go ahead and click find keywords, and I'm going to remove creating and just leave it at cottage gardens. Boom. And as you can see here, we get a variety of different keywords that's related to cottage gardens. So for this keyword, we see that they have a KD of 39, but it has a pretty decent search volume. Maybe cottage gardens would be too difficult for you to go after, but a keyword like rock cottage gardens has a keyword difficulty of 0 and a search volume of 200, which is not bad by any means. This would be a very low competition keyword, and it has a decent search volume that you can go after. So again, you can just repeat this process. We can head back over to Perplexity.ai. We can take a look at any of their specific keywords that they have here, copy that over, and we're going to close this. We're going to do a new search on ombre gardens. Sometimes Ahrefs wouldn't even have any information on that keyword, and this could be because it's a very unpopular keyword, or it could be because it's a very new keyword. I've searched up that keyword on Google, and as you can see, there is a website that's writing about that specific topic, but that's the only website in the gardening niche that's writing about this topic, and it's ranking number 1. So I guarantee you, if you wrote on that topic, you would definitely be able to get some traffic coming over to your website. Again, here's another keyword, an idea that we got back from Perplexity.ai, drought tolerant gardening. Let's copy this over, paste this onto Google, and see how this is doing. So again, as you can see, there's a couple of blogs that are writing about this specific topic. So again, just because Ahrefs is saying that there's not a lot of search volume, you can definitely write on those topics, because that is going to be the low competition keywords that you're going after, because everyone is going to go after the highly rated keywords, or the keywords with high search volume and low keyword difficulty on Ahrefs. But when you follow a method like this, you're able to find some low hanging fruits in terms of keywords, but keywords that will also bring you in search traffic. A very useful website that you can add to this process is AnswerSocrates. AnswerSocrates essentially allows you to do research in any topic that you have in mind. All you have to do is enter the topic, the country, and then search up that topic, and you'll be able to get answers and variations of topics based on the original topic that you entered. This is great for finding those longer tail keywords, so you can find keywords that answers questions that people may have for that specific niche that you're in. And again, you can combine this with Ahrefs to validate any of these keyword ideas. So if you find a keyword that you like, you can copy that over, paste it into Ahrefs, and you'll be able to find some keyword information about that specific keyword that you found on AnswerSocrates. So these are a couple of free tools that you can use to find trending ideas and trending keywords for your niche. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you can use these methods to help you find some keywords, get some leverage, and start getting some traffic over to your websites. If you did enjoy today's video, let it be known by giving us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, stay well.